Once you have logged into Buzz, there are a couple places you can get help. The first is up here by your name, there is a help icon. If you click on that, it will take you to our help pages. You can type in words that you may need help. For example, if I want help on activities, it will bring up support pages that relate to that keyword. Also, depending on where you're at in your courses, the help icon will try and find answers or suggestions based on the pages or the location you are in the Buzz environment. The other place you can find the help icon is when you click the main menu and the bottom help icon here.